Ipob's press statement on the position of Simon Ekpa. Guys, welcome to Afrina's channel. We have a press statement here released yesterday, 12th of July 2021, from the stable of the Directorate of States of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob. Recently, and even now some kinds of news have been going viral that Mazi Simon Ekpa have replaced Nnamdi Kanu as the director of Radio Biafra. Some are even saying as the leader of Ipob, and I kept asking which publication by Ipob or which press statement, named Simon Ekpa Nnamdi Kanu's replacement or new Ipob director, and those kind of things. And funnily enough, some people you think should know better, especially some of the followers of Ipob, some people that are part of the movement are also echoing that very rubbish, because people, tend to fly or echo some zoo publications concocted garbages, being throttled by the zoo Lagos Ibadan Gutter Express media, who are, practicing brown envelope journalism for their stomach. And people you think have learned something, have learned enough from following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, from listening to his preachings, from being part of Ipob, who should have known better, are actually parts of this very evil trend. Posting it on their walls, on their account. You begin to ask yourself what is happening. Do they even understand the context of what they are circulating? Ipob replaces or Ipob appoints a new director, a new leader, a new leadership has been appointed in Ipob. All those kind of does it mean people don't understand English again? Ask yourself, does it mean Ipob currently has no a leader? Because before you talk about replacing a leader, it means that organization or movement has no leader. And who told you Ipob has no leader? No matter where Nnamdi Kanu is, he is directing the affairs from wherever he is. That is this the first time he's going to prison or he's been under incarceration? Simon Ekpa is a strong member of the movement, and he has been very, very formidable in whatever he's doing. He's been doing good. Yes, there's nobody saying anybody can't climb to any capacity as far as the movement is concerned, but you have to get facts straight sometimes. Our people are highly emotional when it comes to some things. This kind of news can engender strife and division in these very struggle and movements. That is why we have to set the record straight and make sure that this thing does not degenerate out of hand. Let me bring you the press release. Please do wait to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Simon Ekpa appointed one of the broadcasters on Radio Biafra, not interim leader Ipob. The indigenous people of Biafra POB, ably led by our indomitable leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wish to confirm the directive by our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that Mazi Simon Ekpa, an illustrious son of Biafra, be included among the broadcasters on the Radio Biafra platform. We therefore wish to also debunk the fake information and falsehood making the rounds that Mazi Simon Ekpa had been appointed to take over Radio Biafra or the interim leader of Ipob. This deliberate misrepresentation of facts is the hard work of detractors and enemies of our struggle. Of course, that is true. Mazi Simon Ekpa is only one of the many broadcasters on Radio Biafra whose immense contributions to the struggle are recognized nobody has been appointed to take over from our leader because he will soon be out to continue with the liberation movements. We want to reiterate that IPOB is a united, formidable, and well-structured family, that even in the absence of our leader, the operations of our movement runs effortlessly on a well-established structure. The Directorate of State (DOS) is fully in charge of the affairs in IPOB worldwide, and therefore no vacuum exists concerning the day-to-day running of these great movements. We know that confusionists and the enemies of our struggle are looking for an opportunity to instigate disaffection and create crisis in IPOB, especially now that our leader is in detention, but their plan is dead on arrival. We therefore wish to urge the wonderful IPOB family worldwide, as well as the general public, to disregard any other information to the contrary. Importantly too, any information purportedly coming from IPOB that does not pass through our normal channel of information dissemination should be disregarded. While various contributions of members of IPOB and other Biafrans towards our liberation of these at this critical moment of our struggle are appreciated, we wish to make it clear that responsibilities are given to people solely for the service of the Biafran people. Biafrans should be rest assured that the leadership of this movement, put together by our leader Nnamdi Kanu, will not allow anyone to sow seeds of confusion in the minds of our people. Biafrans must be at alert because the enemy is trying to play the same card they played in 2015 when Nnamdi was in the custody of the Nigerian government. The IPOB worldwide family defeated them then, and we shall also defeat them together with their co-travelers this time around. They are going to fail woefully, because exactly the way that Nnamdi Kanu left the struggle or the movements, whatever shape he left it is the same shape he's going to meet it when he comes back, and that is going to happen very imminently. The press release concludes by saying, "We urge all Biafrans to continue to maintain absolute discipline and remain resolute in our march towards the restoration of our nation, Biafra. The night is far spent and the morning is almost here. We are already at the threshold of our independence. We can't be distracted and we cannot lose focus at this moment." Comrade Emma Powerful, Media and Publicity Secretary for IPOB, the announcer. Guys, you have heard it. I would like you, I don't know, let me draw, I don't know if I should paste this. You can't copy something actually on Facebook, on YouTube. I should have said that I will paste it at the description section, so one can easily copy it and circulate and post whatever you wish to on any platform you wish to. But unfortunately, you can't copy anything on YouTube. But nevertheless, you have heard it. You have to just get the news. You have to just go with the news and circulate it. Whenever you see people throttling that evil narrative, you just have to send the right message on that very platform and correct people. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to our channel before you go, and continue to pray for our great and formidable leader and the movement also. Also, don't forget to keep praying for the men in the bush. I know that the current event has somewhat overshadowed everything and saturated the atmosphere, but then we still have to bear in mind that there are people not sleeping, just to make sure that our mamas and our papas and our siblings at home in the villages, in our different homes, sleep and go to their farms safely. Also remember them. Thank you and God bless you.
Biafra. God bless Biafra.